Looking to get a great new car before the end of the year? The 2021 Toyota Camry and 2021 Toyota Corolla are available now at San Marcos Toyota. The 2021 Toyota Camry and 2021 Toyota Corolla have the style, comfort, and safety you've been looking for in your next ride. The availability of the new Toyota Camry and Toyota Corolla, along with their expanded new and used car offerings, is intended to give you new options. The just announced 2021 Toyota Camry, available at San Marcos Toyota, comes standard with a number of safety, technology, and comfort features. The stylish and sporty new 2021 Camry is one of many new models San Marcos Toyota is making available to its clientele. San Marcos Toyota extends offers to customers throughout the region with the aim of providing the community with the best possible buyer experience. Find out what makes San Marcos Toyota one of the most recommended dealerships in the area. Go to sanmarcostoyota.com for more information.